In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize password page on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the menu on the left side, go to Online Store and then open Preferences. This is where Shopify gives you control over important store settings, including access to your storefront while it is still being prepared or updated. Once you are inside Preferences, look for the option that says Restrict Access with a Password. This setting allows you to place your store behind a password page, so visitors cannot browse the full site unless they have permission. It is especially useful if your store is not ready to launch yet, or if you are making changes and want to limit public access during that time. Go ahead and check the box to enable Restrict Access with a password. When this option is turned on, Shopify will display a password page to anyone who visits your store. This means customers will need the password you set in order to enter and view the site. After enabling the setting, update the password field with the password you want to use. Choose something that is easy for you to manage but still secure enough for temporary store protection. If you are sharing access with a team or a limited group of visitors, make sure the password is communicated carefully and only to the people who need it. Once you have changed the password, click Save. Saving is important because your new settings will not take effect until they are applied. After you save, your storefront will be protected with the updated password, and visitors will see the password page instead of your full website. If you want to confirm everything worked correctly, you can open your store in a new browser tab or private browsing window. This helps you view the password page the same way a visitor would see it. It is a simple way to double-check that the restriction is active and that the updated password is working as expected. This process is quick, but it gives you a useful level of control over how and when people can access your Shopify store. Whether you are preparing for launch or making changes behind the scenes, adjusting the password page settings can help you manage access with confidence. That covers everything you need to know.